Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, May 15. A number of investors have been shortlisted to finance a major component of government's Jamaica Logistics Hub initiative. Industry Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton made the announcement in his contribution to the 2013-2014 sectoral debate Tuesday. He said one of the entities had a verifiable investment proposal of over $500 million and was awaiting approval to move forward with the proposal. The proposed project involves 750,000 square feet of space in an ultra-modern technology park at Nagahead St. Catherine with the potential to employ 13,000 persons.
The first 100,000 square feet of space has already been booked by an entity which is the fastest growing BPO company to have entered Jamaica.
Minister Hilton said the company was in the process of building out a 20,000 square foot facility in Kingston to employ 600 persons in the next 2 months until the technology park was ready. He said this was a demonstration of the investors' commitment. Some 60 persons from Majesty Gardens in St. Andrew are set to enhance their employability with the launch of a 5-month vocational training and internship program. The project is dubbed Income Generating Opportunities for Unemployed Young People through linkages with established micro, small and medium-sized enterprises. It's a partnership involving the Jamaica Exporters Association, the St. Andrew Settlement and the Poverty Reduction Program. Speaking at the launch, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller encouraged the participants to complete the course despite the challenges.
No matter how frustrating it might become, continue your program and ensure you graduate. It is critical. It is about self-development.
Youth ranging from ages 18 to 35 years will undergo capacity building training in a number of areas and take part in internships and study tours of thriving businesses. Work is to begin on Sections 1 and 3 of the Mount Russell leg of Highway 2000 in a few months. Section 2 of the bypass, the Linstead to Monique leg, is already 80% complete. Section 1 includes the ferry to Linstead route, while Section 3 comprises the Monique to Ocherius leg.
We have now received the permits from NEPA for Section 1 and Section 3, and we expect to be able to put the contractor in a position to begin actual construction in September in one instance and November in another of this year.
Dr. Davies was speaking at the recent post-sectoral debate press conference hosted by the Ministry of Transport, Works and Housing. Government will be subsidizing the proposed fare increase to the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC. This comes on the heels of reports that Cabinet is expected to grant a fare increase to the JUTC and private operators before September.
In the case of JUTC, their increase will not make them break even. There will still be a need for some subsidy from the government. The people deserve a bus service and they deserve an efficient bus service. But it doesn't come free, but they are not going to be asked to pay the full increase which could be justified.
The minister added that the government was fully aware of the financial challenges facing Jamaicans, but said the JUTC was facing a serious cash crunch. Dr. Davies said the request for a fare increase would only be taken to Cabinet when he was satisfied that fundamental changes had been made to the JUTC's operations. And finally, students across the island got to work last Friday as they celebrated National Action Day, planting trees, cleaning up their environs, and beautifying aspects of their schools and communities. It's an initiative of the National Child Month Committee that's meant to be a Child Labor Day.
The National Action Day has been selected to help our children to be more responsible. Children are very aware that they have rights, but we also want them to realize that it comes with responsibility. Children everywhere should be and will be involved in doing things that will help to enhance the environment.
National Action Day is an annual Child Month initiative that started in 1999. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.